Hey guys, welcome back to Pioneer Ranch. Today we're going to be working on building this reclaimed barnwood wall from reclaimed wood that we got from around the house. And a lot of the walls, it was nasty, mildewy. We cleaned it up, we ran it through the planer. Tanya got it all stained up and looking good. So we're going to put it on this wall. Enjoy the video. Put the wood on the wall finally. Tanya got stained. Here, you can see it here. It's one of the pieces. They look really nice. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the wall. Tanya's back there running the camera. All right, first board. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. That way, if there's any kind of craziness on the floor, then I can take it out of the bottom piece and you won't see it. But if you start at the top and it's all wavy or at an angle or something, your eye's going to catch it. So I'm going to start at the top. And on my cut ends, I'm going to go ahead and put some stain on there so you won't see the new wood under there. Just like that. I'm using my Ryobi 18 gauge brad nailer. So these were the reclaimed boards, so I basically have to pick out the best section out of each board. Some of them are broken, you can see, so if I can pull those pieces off and not use them, it's even better. We want this wall to look somewhat rustic. That's why on the boards, like there's nails that got bent over, but they went through the planer. We're gonna leave all that, the nail holes, the old nail holes, chunks missing. So just gonna add to the character of it. All right, let's put this one up. I'm gonna put this up and then I'll cut around the door here. there to see how straight the next board's gonna sit on there. You kinda want it, you don't want it crooked and angled. There's gonna be some angles in it, crookedness just because the ceiling was warped at first and then you're having to split some of the boards. Okay, so now all I'll have to do is go up to this edge here on the wood. This is a door opening here, and over here I don't have to continue around. I can either put scrap pieces across here from my cutoffs, or I can just put one long strip the same thickness across the bottom of this, because this is all going to get trimmed out and encased in for the closet itself. That's no big deal, we just have to come up with in here. And of course this is the fireplace. In this area right here, I'm not too worried about the nails, because this is where the big screen TV is going to go.
Which is also a reason why I didn't want bright white walls. Because that would have made that darker.
I like it.
I do too. I think the colors go good together. Because looking at that, it looks white. And then you look back here and it doesn't. It looks gray.
Yeah.
I think you're doing a great job, baby.
For that last piece, I have to actually measure the fireplace, put this piece in here. So that'll make it thinner. So this is the piece that's gonna go across the top there, and part of it has to get cut out. So I went ahead and fixed this piece up there and then marked around where it goes, and then I put the straight lines with the 2x4 on the back side up to the line. And then I'll just take the sawzall and nip out the corners. I chipped it out a little bit right there. I'll go ahead and just take a little bit of stain. Fix that up. As I'm editing the video, the girls heard themselves whining when they were babies, when we were actually making this video, and they started barking and freaking out, didn't know what to think. And they started running towards the window and started looking for their mom because they heard her in the video. So cute. There's the wall all finished. Once we get the drywall in the closet, I'll case out the door, put the trim around it so see it. This is the fireplace opening there. And then big screen TV will go up here. Turned out pretty good. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Building this wall, it was a lot of fun, a lot of work. It took about, I don't know, 6 hours to do the whole thing, but there was a lot of me thinking about how to get all these boards on there and get them to looking right, because there was a lot of boards that were messed up and a lot of sections in them that you kind of couldn't use. So I had to go through all the boards and actually find the ones that would work, cut them out, and make it work. Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.